Luke, I almost forgot. God, I have the memory of a goldfish.
Thank you.
Actually, goldfish have really good memories for being fish.
Forbidden fruit.
The Bible never mentions that the forbidden fruit was an apple.
I just read that we have a plastic spoon's worth of microplastics in our brain. Everyone.
Tommy?
You have a quippy comeback?
I read that too.
So obviously the joke is that he corrects everybody, but when they say that we have a spoon's worth of plastic in our brains, he's okay with that. But that's actually not true. And even if it is true, it would just prove that microplastics are incredibly safe. If you follow me, you know I'm a linguist, not a chemist. I'm not an expert in this topic, but I listen to people who are experts and I'm just repeating what they said. That study that everyone heard about a few months ago is completely ridiculous. I'm gonna do my best to explain it right here so you don't have to go anywhere, but if you wanna check out this person's video from this date, then they do a much better job at explaining it and show even more resources with people who know more about it. But basically, they used a methodology for detecting plastics that is known for not being good at detecting plastics accurately, called pyrolysis GCMS, and it heats up to break down the brain matter sample. Then in that mush, they look for long hydrocarbon chains, which they said is the polyethylene that they found in the brain. The problem is a bunch of other natural fats that are supposed to be in your brain also have long hydrocarbon chains, and the pyrolysis can't tell the difference. The comparison I saw was that it's like crushing apples and then counting all the stems to find out how many apples there were, except you didn't realize there were also peaches, cherries, and pears in there as well. So now you've counted all those stems as apples when most of them aren't. And again, even if it was true, the adults in the study had totally normal lives and health. Like, it would just show that a plastic spoon's worth of plastic in the brain does nothing negative to you, which doesn't really make sense, does it? News articles, and especially social media, love to sensationalize a tiny little thing in a study that doesn't accurately represent the study itself and doesn't do anything to question how good the methodology was. Please check out her video. She shows a lot of things from actual experts and the studies themselves and why that methodology doesn't work. But the point I'm trying to make is that scientists don't trust that study, so neither should you.